Hey everyone, it's Jason here, and today I am back with the unboxing of the men's Louboutin Spike-Socks. So before I get into the unboxing, I did order this pair of sneakers online, and I want to show you something that comes with the receipt, but that's pretty cool. So they have this little cutout page that has a picture of the shoe, along with the details, name, size, etc. of the shoe that you can put on the side of your box. And this helps you visually see what's in each box, so you don't have to remember what it looks like when you see the name. So you have a picture right here as well as the name, and it makes it easy to find your shoes amongst your collection. So I thought that was pretty neat. So let's put the paperwork away and get into the unboxing. So the very first thing you'll notice about the box is that it's wrapped in this red plastic that says Run Loubi Run. And this is because the Spike-Sock is part of Christian Louboutin's Run Loubi Run collection of sneakers. So it's a nice little cool addition to the packaging. So to slide it off, we see the normal Louboutin box that we would expect. So first thing I notice is these white bags. So the white bags are traditional for the sneakers, whereas the red dust bags are for their adjuster shoes, women's heels, etc. So in this bag here, I'm going to guess those extra spikes. Let's take a look. Yep, some extra spikes in case they come off. So we'll put these back in there very carefully. Set them aside. All right. So in the middle, we have the white dust bag. Again, it is white because these are sneakers, and we actually have two, one for each foot. And here we have the actual shoe. So first thing you notice is that there are spikes all the way around, hence the name Spike-Sock. The other thing that is immediately obvious is the sole, the bottom of the shoe. So we do have the red Louboutin signature as normal. The thing that's different though is the tread. So you see these little cutouts here, all along the side, along the bottom. So these supposedly make the shoe feel a little bit more comfortable and cushioned. So let's take out this paper. Okay, so inside we have the normal tan sole with the Christian Louboutin embossed on the top. Inside, if you can hopefully see that, we do have the shoe size right here. So I got size 40, which is my normal Louboutin shoe size. The top is very, very soft. This is actually made out of neoprene, and it's supposed to form very closely to the shape of your upper foot. The back and the front through here, as you can see, have cushioned for support, and this should be a very comfortable feel. You also notice at the top of the shoe here, this red material here, so it's kind of that sock-like style that's going on right now. And then on this side of the shoe, we have a little silver glitter triangle, which adds a little bit of detail to the shoe. We also have a little tab here to help take the shoe off. So it looks like a really sturdy, well-made shoe. I'm really excited to try them on. As we come over here, we have the other foot. Unsurprisingly, exactly the same style, same material. Again, shiny triangle on the outside, Louboutin on the bottom. These are made in Italy. So I know some of their shoes are made in France, some of their shoes are made in Italy, so it looks like the Spike-Socks are made in Italy. And I think that's about it for these shoes. I'm really excited to try these on and see how they fit relative to their other sneakers. So they did say online that the size does fit true to the size. So I'm expecting it to fit much like the Loubi Juniors and some of their other sneakers. So in the US, the Spike-Sock retails for $1,295. It comes in the black color, as you see here. There are also white and red versions. And there's also a corresponding women's style as well. So I will go ahead and try these on. I'll let you know how they fit in the overlay text on the video. So instead of putting the fit details in the comments, I decided just to record a quick little segment showing the shoes on my feet. So these definitely fit very well. I would say the recommendation that the size is true to size is very accurate. So again, as a quick recap, I'm normally a size 40 in Louboutin shoes, which translates to roughly 7.5 US sizes. And this definitely feels like the right size for me. As the top of the shoe is that neoprene that forms to the shape of your foot, I do notice, I do feel that. It doesn't hurt, it's not really annoying or anything like that. I just notice it. But it does feel very comfortable. And standing up, walking around, I do notice the support cushions in the heel and in the front of the shoe. So this definitely feels like a really good sneaker, especially if I'm going to be walking around some of the trails here or walking around town. Definitely feels like something that is very durable and something that I could easily walk a number of hours in and stand in as well. So that is everything, and please feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks.